I think I probably have over 10,000 photos, but they're like in a lot of folders. I normally just use the Instagram filters, nothing specific. I think that's from a colleague. Yeah, it's actually a very good friend of mine. So I have his pet name here, that's Tommy, but I'm not gonna say his real name. The last message I actually received is from like 12 minutes before. It's a group of friends that I have. It's just a friend of mine's picture. It's his birthday today, so has to be the upside down face, smiley here. So my wallpaper is Batman, and my lock screen should be Lionel Messi. The last thing actually Googled was "Que miras bobo." That's that's something Lionel Messi said. So you can actually see here. Hi, my name is Haseeb Butt. I work as a business development manager here, and I've been working at Khired Networks